Hey everybody, Tilly Two Wheel here coming to you live from the house. Well, today is the day that I want to do some work on this old girl and see if I can get some of this stuff that happened in the accident, get it fixed. So today we're going to be tearing apart this thing and hopefully getting it fixed up and having some fun with it. So sit back, relax. We're going to do a time lapse on this baby and hopefully we'll get it knocked out, at least some of it knocked out today. So we got most of it tore down. I want to tear everything off of it. We still got to get the radiator off, get the fan off, and get that stuff replaced. As you can see, it did a pretty good number on everything. But I don't see any other major damage except for just the radiator and the fan. So it looks like it should be pretty good. So hopefully I'll get this tore off here real quick, and we'll wrap this up for at least getting everything tore down, and then we'll get the new stuff put on. Everybody, well, there it is. Got everything tore off of it. Got the replacement fan and radiator on. So now it's just time to get everything back together, get everything cleaned up. We'll be rocking again. So this is got a nice little surprise for you guys coming up, so you'll like this.